The AC just turned on. Anyways, I hope you guys can hear me okay. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside not my tiny home on wheels Domino, because if you watched the last episode, you seen what happened. Get you guys caught up. I'm on the expressway in a median, and basically Domino oil completely dropped.
Okay, ma'am.
Obviously, judging from my smile and the thumbnail and the title, you know that Domino is getting her engine replaced. So I just found out today, like maybe less than an hour ago. I was like, let me go ahead and draw some eyebrows on and put on some decent clothes so I can tell my friends that Domino is going to be back on the road soon. I didn't want you guys to have to wait till Friday, so that's why this video is like short and just like straight to the point. I didn't want y'all to have to wait and just sit around and be like, what's going on with Domino? Because like that's what I was doing. I was already stressing and just like not sleeping good, not eating right, just stressed because I just didn't know what was gonna happen. But everything worked out and Domino is getting her engine replaced. All of this like literally just happened, so I don't know the timeline of when Domino will be like back in my care, but she's getting her engine replaced and that's all that matters. So that'll be soon, and I don't know if I'm gonna get a video to you guys Friday, because honestly, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have my Mini Cooper and I could go on a mini adventure and like scout out some campsites in the area, because the weather is actually going to be nice this weekend. That's the crazy thing. Like, we've been getting snow and all the shenanigans, and the weather is actually going to be nice this weekend. So I don't know, I guess I could take the Mini out and go on a little scouting adventure with Jada just to get out the house. I don't know, we'll see. But I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let y'all know, like, I'm excited, I'm happy. Life is like back in order, and yeah, I'm just happy. Like,
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof, 'cause
I'm just happy, and that's pretty much it. Like, I can't even talk. Breet, breet, breet. I guess that's all, folks. I will see y'all when I see y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much for reaching out to me on Instagram and Facebook. I really appreciate you guys and the support that you have shown me through this difficult time, because this was difficult for me. And it's amazing that, you know, a lot of you pointed out what Domino is for me. Like, yes, of course, you know, she's the vehicle, something that I built, and, you know, a home and stuff like that, but Domino literally is my therapy. She has been that for me ever since, you know, this rebuild. So it's just, I'm just so happy for your support, and I appreciate you guys, and I thank y'all so much. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Love y'all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and see y'all later. I think I already said that 50 million times, so I guess I'll say it again. See y'all.